It is evening back where I came from, but it's early morning here, as I'm caught between two worlds, on two sides of the ocean to be clear. The only life I ever knew was what I left far away and behind. And since then the change in me transcends both place and time. The wisdom I have gained and gathered, which I shall now share with you, is that your heart must lead the way in all you are, where you go and what you do. Sure, logic has its purpose, common sense is always in demand. So many feelings and emotions will lead you to certain paths and plans. As many signs shall try to tell you both who you are and where to go. That's when I just close my eyes, pause and take a deep long sigh. As I pack my clothes I know home is where the heart is, no matter where you started. So pay no attention to your origins, if and when it's time to begin again. Close the door on the past. Close the door on the past. Choose to open up a new window if it lets the light of love in. As family is as family does, for sometimes strangers gain your trust. Believe in that and believe in them, so just pack your clothes and go. Believe in that and believe in them, so just pack your clothes and go. Ooh.